Hello and welcome to Weil-McLain's Tech Tip videos. I'm Brian and today we will be taking a look at our Simplicity boiler and how to set it up using the Wizard control. All of the information we will be looking at is covered in detail in the manual, so be sure you have a copy of the manual to work from. The Wizard is a tool that will help you set up the boiler to match all the preferences required for the system. You will see different screens pop up when you are first setting up the boiler. You simply need to choose from the options as they appear on the screen. So, when the boiler is first powered up, the display will show all the icons while communications are established. This can take several seconds. Next, the software versions will be displayed. Now, you will see a warning for the mixing valve. You will need to confirm that a mixing valve is installed on the domestic hot water side. Next, we see domestic hot water enabled. Then, our fuel type choice. Altitude, Fahrenheit or Celsius, warm weather shutdown temperature, and finally, high limit. The high limit should always be set at 200 degrees. This is not the target temperature of the boiler. This is only the final temperature safety device that shuts the boiler down if it gets too hot. Next, you will get the option to start the Wizard. Push the right arrow button and domestic hot water temperature will be the first selection. Choose the preferred temperature for domestic hot water. Next will be the domestic hot water preheat option. With this turned on, the boiler will deliver hot water slightly faster to the faucets, since the boiler always stays warm. Turning preheat off will increase efficiency. The next selection will be for the system type. You can choose between fan coil, radiant, baseboard, or custom. Choose the one closest to the type of system you have, and the temperatures can be fine-tuned later in the setup. Now, we see the choice that determines how the boiler modulates. In most cases, you will want to select boiler out. Next up is max target. This is the temperature that the control will target when the weather is the coldest. Min target is the temperature that will be used when the weather is very mild and very little heat is needed. Now we see outdoor temperature for min target. This is the outdoor temperature where very little heat will be needed, and outdoor temperature for max target. This can be set anywhere between 0 and somewhere around freezing. Setting this to 32 degrees will give maximum boiler temperature when the outdoor temperature drops to freezing. Lowering this setting will increase efficiency, but may decrease the comfort level in the home. Consult your customer for their preference. Now, all we have left is setting the installation date and setting the service reminder interval. This should be set to 12 months. Now, if we hit the right arrow button, you will see Wizard complete. But we are not quite done yet. The next screen will ask to calibrate the blower. This will need to be done so that the blower can learn the vent system and determine how much power is needed to clear the exhaust gases. So make sure the jacket door is installed on the boiler and click Yes to calibrate the blower. Once this is complete, the boiler is ready for the startup procedure. Proceed to the startup section of the manual and carefully follow the instructions to complete the installation. Well, thanks for watching. We hope this video was helpful, and be sure to download our Pro Tools app. It has everything you'll need to help diagnose and repair Weil-McLain products, along with lots of other helpful features.